Hey there! Are you ready to kick off the new school year with a bang? Whether you're heading back to school or starting fresh in a new place, I've got you covered with some super simple and easy tips to help you have an amazing school year ahead. From what to do with your hair, skin, to uniforms and making friends, I'm here for you. Whether you have curly, straight, wavy, or textured hair, it's important to have a routine that keeps it healthy and vibrant. Use a shampoo that's gentle and right for your hair type. Massage it into your scalp and rinse thoroughly. After washing, use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. Start from the ends and work your way up to prevent breakage. Apply a leave-in conditioner or a light hairspray to keep your hair smelling fresh and looking smooth. Massage your scalp to boost circulation and hair growth. Don't forget to treat your ends with a nourishing oil once a week. For daily upkeep, use a lightweight oil on the ends to avoid split ends. Keep your hair moisturized with oils like coconut or argan. Regular deep conditioning and protective styles can help in maintaining it. Keep it sleek and shiny with occasional straightening. Add subtle waves for a bit of texture, or use a straightener for a polished look. School mornings can be hectic, so having a go-to hairstyle that's easy to manage can save you a lot of time. Consider protective styles that require less daily upkeep. Try curtain bangs, a chic bob, or layering for some extra texture. You can also try styles like ponytails, messy bun, braids, half-up, half-down braids, or locks. Hair accessories are a fun way to express yourself. Headbands, clips, hairpins, scrunchies, or scarves can not only keep your hair in place, but also add a stylish touch. If your school has rules about accessories, stick to sleek and simple styles that'll still make your hair look pretty. Healthy, glowing skin starts with a good routine, and it's essential to find a skincare routine that works for your specific needs. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type to remove dirt and oil. If you have oily skin, opt for a foaming cleanser to help control excess oil. For dry skin, a hydrating cleanser can prevent stripping essential moisture. Regardless of your skin type, after cleansing, moisturizing is key to keeping your skin hydrated and soft. For oily skin, use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer and creams rich with hydrating contents for dry skin. Skip sunscreen. Even on cloudy days, it'll help protect your skin from harmful UV rays, premature aging, and skin damage. Look for a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Regardless of your skin type, after cleansing, moisturizing is key to keeping your skin hydrated and soft. Buy or make a lip scrub. Use it once or twice a week to remove dead skin cell. Apply a moisturizing lip balm to prevent dryness. Use balms with ingredients like shea butter or beeswax. Curl your lashes with an eyelash curler for a natural lift. Apply castor oil before bed for longer lashes and use Vaseline as a brow gel. Keep your nails neat and trimmed. If you bite your nails, try to quit, because it's a bad habit. Try out different shapes like square or oval to find what you like best. Choose subtle, classic colors for school, or go for a clear top coat if you prefer something simple. If nail polish isn't allowed in your school, use hand cream or cuticle oil to keep your nails healthy. Brush your teeth twice and floss daily. You can also use mouthwash to add freshness to your breath. Shower at least twice every day to keep your skin clean and apply deodorant to prevent body odor. Your body is your best asset, so take care of it by staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Get at least an hour of physical activity daily. Whether it's walking, dancing, or another form of exercise, find what you enjoy. You can join a club in school, be it dancing, jogging, running, swimming, or any other sport. Consistent exercise boosts your energy, enhances your mood, and helps you stay fit. Ensure your daily diet contains fruits, veggies, proteins, and whole grains. You can occasionally treat yourself with something sweet. Enjoy healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, granola bars, smoothies, and fresh fruit. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated helps with energy levels, aids digestion, skin health, and overall well-being. When it comes to dressing, comfort and style can go hand in hand. It can be both stylish and school appropriate. Make sure your uniforms or everyday clothes fit well. Ill-fitting clothes can be uncomfortable, so choose pieces that make you feel comfy. Set aside some time each week to plan out your outfits. Keep them clean, well-maintained, and ironed to keep it crisp. This will save you time in the morning and ensure you're always well-dressed. For those without a uniform, wear clothes that are both stylish and school-friendly, like jeans, tees, chinos, dresses, shirts, tops, blouses, sweaters, and the rest. Stick to classic colors like black, brown, white, or navy. Wear shoes like loafers, Mary Janes, sneakers, sandals, or flats. Wear socks with patterns like stripe, polka dots, or just plain white with frills that match your shoes and uniform. Small stud earrings, simple necklaces, bracelets, and a nice watch are perfect for school. You can add trendy accessories like scarves, pins, badges, a stylish belt, or hats to complete your look. Good organization can make your school year run smoothly. Here's how to keep everything in check. Use it to help keep track of assignments, tests, and activities. It'll help you stay on top of your schedule and manage your time effectively. Keep your study area and backpack organized. Regularly sort through materials and remove what you don't need. Start a study routine and allocate specific study times that works for you. Start studying from day one. Get a bag with enough space and organize it with all the essentials like notebooks or pens you need for school. If you want a more stylish bag, get one with cute prints or trendy colors, and add a small keychain or charm for personal touch. Think about what you want to achieve this year, academic, personal, or both. Set realistic and attainable goals to keep you motivated and start the year with a positive mindset. Put yourself out there, form study groups, join clubs or activities, be open to new experiences. Everyone is there to make friends, just like you. If you encounter bullying or any difficulties at all, speak up and seek support. Set boundaries to ensure you have enough time for studying and self-care. It's okay to say no when you need to focus on your responsibilities. Ensure you get enough sleep each night. A good night's rest is crucial for maintaining focus and overall health. Pay attention to how you're feeling. If you're tired or stressed, give yourself a break. Self-care is crucial for your overall well-being. Whether it's reading, listening to music, soaking in a bath, or meditating, find what helps you de-stress. Get a small purse to put in your school bag that could contain your pads, lip gloss for reapplying, deodorant for quick touch-ups, mint candy for fresh breath, and any other thing you can think of. So that's all I have for you today, Doves. With this guide, you should be ready for the new school year. If you've got any cool tips, ideas, or questions, drop them in the comments. Love you.